अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज हमारा टॉपिक है कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन के साथ। तो चले शुरू करते हैं। annoy, गुस्सा दिलाना। annoy, his childish behaviour annoys me। inflict, आयद करना। inflict, punishment was inflicted upon the criminal। aid, मदद करना। aid, he came to aid me। allay, कम होना। allay, the medicine allayed her pain। permit, मतलब इजाज़त देना। permit, he was permitted to take the examination। alter, तब्दील करना। alter, I'm working at alter house। allow, इजाज़त देना। allow, we were allowed to talk in class। alteration, तब्दीली। alteration, I'm planning to make a few alteration। alternation, यके बाद दिगरी तब्दीली। joy and sorrow come in alteration। amiable, shafiq। amiable, I found him an amiable fellow। alternative, mutabadil। alternative, is there any alternative? amicable, dostana। amicable, we set our dispute by amicable way। ante, qabl या पहले। ante, it was not possible in ante-era। anti, mukhalif। anti, it is anti-social to leave litter in public places। antique, qadimi। antique, my hobby is an antique coins collection। apposite, munasib। apposite, it is an apposite remarks। appraise, takhmina लगाना। appraise, the house was appraised at $4,500। apprise, इत्ला देना। apprise, I was apprised of the meeting। argue, दलील देना। argue, I argued in favor of family planning। art, fun। art, this story is developed with great art। artisan, कारीगर। artisan, the artisan of Pakistan are famous across the globe। artistic, dilkash। artistic, the hall decorated in very artistic manner। artful, होशियार। artful, he is an artful boy. Artificial, masnui, artificial. Town life is artificial life. Ascendant, उबरता हुआ. Ascendant, his star is in the ascendant. Assent, اتفاق ہونا. Assent, I gave him assent to the proposal. Ascendancy, فوقيت. Ascendancy, I have the ascendancy over him. Assumption, مفروضة. Assumption, that assumption was wrong. Assure, यकीन दहानी करवाना. Assure, I assure you that there is no checking. Insure, ज़मानत देना. Insure, I ensure you a good post. Attenuate, कमज़ोर हो जाना. Attenuate, we worked hard to attenuate the stress. Out, ज़िम्मेदारी का इजहार. Out, we ought to respect our elders. Avenge, इंतकाम लेना. Avenge, I want to avenge from him. If you got this video informative, subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more notification.